All right, it's Jeff and Mary Jane coming back to you once again. Today we're coming to you from the beautiful Park City, Utah. Look at these fall colors. We are out on a Sunday drive just enjoying these colors, having a nice relaxing afternoon, and we just wanted to take a moment and stop and share with you one of the latest products that we have from Overland Gear Guy, and that is his Sprinter 3 rear door organizer. This thing is absolutely amazing, has done a great job for us and really helping keep our lives organized in the van. So Janie, talk about pre Sprinter 3. What did we do?
Well, we didn't have this. So what did we do? Where do you put all your things? So this was my solution. So we seat belt it onto the back seat, and it's a grocery bag with a lot of different things that we need to carry, but I didn't know where to put them. And this was already full of food and clothing. So we needed things like, you need sunscreen. So where are you going to put that? This bear spray. We haven't used this yet, but just in case, put it down here, which is very convenient because it's right by the door, just in case. Oh, what else did we carry? Oh, flashlights. You need flashlights for sure. And you have your knife here. So take one of these pockets, put them all in there. Awesome. How nice, huh? Oh, another thing that we've used when we are very adventurous, we put these headlights on our heads. Fits right in here. Woo! Check that out. Okay.
What else you got in that?
Oh my gosh, I got so much. Okay, batteries, because we need those for the flashlights. And so where are you going to put all these little batteries? How about right here? Woo! Easy peasy. Oh, another thing that's really come in handy are these little carabiners. These could get lost anywhere. So these little pockets, perfect. Oh my gosh, so nice. Stuff them in there. And it's Velcro, so it won't come out. And last but not least, this is the charger for a laptop. You're probably thinking, why would we want to bring a laptop? You can put this anywhere. I'm just going to put it there for right now. But check this out. Woo! Laptop. And another laptop. 2 laptops.
Space for 2.
Is that awesome? It holds 2 laptops. Unfortunately, we still have to work. We're not retired. So much for the bag. Throw that out.
Yeah, so let's talk about how this mounts to the van. So there's a strap up top that goes around the headrest. Doesn't interfere at all with the passenger. And one of the things I was a little bit reluctant about buying one of these seat back organizers is I was afraid of it just kind of flopping in the breeze. But there's also another strap. You can't see it, but there's a strap that goes around the seat. And it'll snug right in, and so that thing is snug to the back of the seat, really secure, doesn't flop around. So again, just to kind of do a quick recap, so we've got 3 small pockets up top here. They do have Velcro to where you can use Rob's labels. Once we get this all organized, I'll order some of those labels from him, so we'll know exactly what's in each pocket. Again, a bunch of little sleeve type pockets, zippered pockets all over. The one big pocket up here to carry, as Mary Jane said, 2 laptops. I didn't even notice this one.
Yeah, I know. There's just like
here's another
hidden
really
ones.
large.
Oh yeah, wait, I did put
here.
this one in. Some extra toiletries. Oh, that's right. I put these in here already. Umbrellas, just in case.
Umbrellas.
That's great.
So you got a nice big pocket there, and then 3 other pockets here. So again, we keep flashlights and my knife in there, and then this is a great spot.
Oh yeah, the drone.
My drone.
Perfect.
The controller. Easy access for when we hop out of the van and get a quick drone shot. And then again, a couple of big pockets down here at the bottom. I think they call these what are these, molly straps, where you can just adhere other goodies down there. We keep our little poop bags here as well. So just a great, very comprehensive seat back organizer. and it's just really doing the job. And then for the driver's side, we also picked up his Road Atlas version. Now this is a smaller version, but it fits the bill for that location. We wanted something small that we could keep organized. Some of the manuals that we have that go with the van, but most importantly, like our national park maps. Is that what you got in there, Jane?
Yeah. This one, when we went to Capitol Reef, oh my gosh, great park.
So just your printed maps. We don't carry a Road Atlas
Manuals
any longer with us, but we also stuff a little first aid kit
First
back
aid
in
kit.
there as well.
Handy dandy, just in case.
And then on the outside, there's two zippered mesh pockets. And so we, right now, we've just got our cards. Playing cards in there. And we'll fill up that other pocket with something
It's awesome.
handy down the road as well. So again, great quality. This is why we really come to like Overland Gear Guy's products. That's why we're an ambassador and help support his business. We've got really good zipper ties, nice smooth zippers, make it easy to open and close. Really heavy duty nylon. This thing's gonna last forever. So again, this comes from our friends over at overlandgearguy.com, and check out his new patches. Isn't that cool?
Woo! Awesome.
All right, so I will leave a link in the description to his website to where you can check this out further and maybe pick one up for yourself. But let me just share some of these great colors again with you on this cool little creek. Beautiful, beautiful views out here. Just loving it. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and we'd really like it if you also subscribe. So take care again, and we hope to see you out on the trail sometime soon. Take care, all.